Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Vala channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unblock adult sites in Google Chrome. So here's my browser. All you need to do is go into settings. Here, type in DNS. And here you'll see a security button. Click it and then select Use Secure DNS. Click and choose Cloudflare. Now this might be all you need, but if it doesn't work, make sure you don't have any extensions enabled that could be blocking sites. To check, go to Manage Extensions and disable things like Ad Blocker, or maybe you have a VPN that's configured incorrectly. Those can interfere with things. I have online security here, so just disable extensions like that. That's it. This was Voller. See you all later.